Now to Alex Murdaugh, the South Carolina attorney who is convicted of killing his wife and son is due in court this morning. He's facing sentencing for stealing millions of dollars from his clients. Eva Pilgrim has the story for us. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, Michael. This should have been just a standard court appearance, but it doesn't look like that's what's going to happen today. Despite a plea deal and Murdaugh long ago admitting to financial crimes, this morning, unexpected new details, including 11 new victims, could shift his federal sentencing.
This morning, disgraced South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh expected back in court. The 55-year-old scheduled to be sentenced in federal court for his financial crimes.
The crime was so egregious, the feds decided to step in.
The federal sentencing guidelines call for 17 to 21 years at the same time as his state sentence for financial crimes. He's already pleaded guilty to those and is serving 27 years for that. But that deal is now in question for a few reasons. First, investigators discovered Murdaugh stole an additional $1.3 million from more than 11 victims, bringing his total now to $10.9 million and 25 victims. And he failed a recent polygraph. Federal prosecutors saying in court papers that puts him in breach of his plea deal and shows he wasn't being truthful about where the stolen money ended up.
It's very difficult to pass a federal polygraph test. It doesn't really matter that Alex Murdaugh failed this test. It was expected to fail.
Prosecutors now saying they ask for a more severe sentence today.
And one of the more surprising mentions in recent court documents, federal prosecutors raising questions about another attorney who hasn't been identified yet and if that person was or was not involved in Murdaugh's financial crimes. Guys.
All right, thank you. We know you've been covering that from the beginning. Thank you.
It seems like it's never ending.
Yeah.
All right.